Welcome to TelQ's SMPP integration video tutorial, where we will guide you through SMPP session and supplier creation. This integration type will allow you to create and run your tests directly from TelQ's user interface, making use of all of our available features. To integrate, we will be using the SMPP and Suppliers menu. Before we click on the Create Session button, we need to do two things in our SMS platform. First, we need to make sure TelQ's IP address is whitelisted. You can find our IP address in the Help or Guide sections. Next is to create a client account for TelQ and set up routing for it, as if TelQ were your client. Please take great care not to connect TelQ directly to your vendor. The message flow should be from TelQ to your SMS platform and from there to your vendor. When the account is created in your SMS platform, click on Create Session and enter the account login details as well as the host and port of your server. Optionally, you can change the default destination TON and MPI for this bind and set up an alert in case your bind goes offline. If your system works on asynchronous processing, please contact our team to help you set up the advanced parameters. Once the bind is created, our system will try to establish a connection with your server, and this connection will be indicated by this dot. Green indicates the session is online, while red means it's offline. If your session remains offline for more than several minutes once created, please contact our support team. If your system supports routing based on service type or TLV, you can use one SMPP session to upload multiple suppliers. If not, you can create one session per supplier. In either case, to add the supplier to the bind, you'll need to enter the route name and route type as mandatory information. There are some optional parameters you can specify if you would like to filter your routes later on. If your routing supports service type or TLV, please make sure to input that information in this section. You can also configure the UDH on supplier level in this step before saving. In case you need to make any changes to your already saved details, you can view and edit your suppliers as well as your SMPP sessions easily. For those starting off and having many suppliers to add, we recommend using the import functionality, which allows you to mass upload your sessions and suppliers from Excel. Download our example file to make sure you're adding the details in the correct format. Once your suppliers are added, you will see them listed in the live number testing section and are good to go. Thank you for watching and happy testing!